Ever get tired of saying what 100 times during a phone call? What? Yeah, what? The hearing aid, Allie. Who are you? Silly girl, I'm your best friend, Madge. You said you wanted help. What do you have on your face, Madge? A girl has got to be a girl, Allie. You should try it. I just don't need all that stuff. Right. Anyway, Madge, it isn't new hearing aids. It's an app for your phone. InnoCaption. This app adds captions to your calls, making conversations crystal clear. And I don't have an iPhone, just this old Samsung. First, head to the App Store on iPhone and search for InnoCaption. Android, like your ancient Samsung Madge, you go to the Play Store and download that. Easy as pie. Pie isn't that easy, Allie, especially for you. I've seen your kitchen. Madge, you aren't helping. Anyway, there are other apps that do the same thing. I've tried others, but prefer this one. It works, even in noisy environments. Oh, maybe it'll work in the weekly bingo game. Those ladies are always reading their card wrong. Everyone's yelling, bingo, at the same time.
Bingo! We made it, close the door, Eustace.
It'll work wherever you use your phone. Setup is simple. Follow the instructions, then tweak the settings. You can adjust text size and style to your liking. For incoming calls, it actually routes them to another phone number that has been set up for you to give you the captions. But it's all transparent to you, Madge, so captions are available whether you're calling or answering. Oh, so you must be making a bunch of money off this, right? What's my take? Neither of us get a cent. It's a free app funded by the Telecommunications Relay Service, a government agency. You have to honestly state that you have hearing loss, but there's no cost to the user. So, what good is it to me if I don't get any money for my part in the channel? You should appreciate what you're doing in helping the viewers. Look, when you make or receive a call, captions appear in real time. No more guessing games. Oh, finally I can understand my grandkids without asking for translation. Use the InnoCaption call for all your calls. I do. I leave it on all the time. Perfect for everything from catching up with friends to booking appointments. Allie, it even got your pizza order right last night. Yes, Madge, but no more anchovies. I like anchovies. InnoCaption lets you catch every detail. No more nodding and pretend. Or nodding off, huh, Allie? Thanks to the Telecommunications Relay Service, InnoCaption offers reliable captions backed by advanced tech and real people. Real people? They must have their work cut out for them with you, Allie. Keep it up, Madge. You'll get a real-time caption of me ignoring you. Give InnoCaption a try. It's free and it makes calls crystal clear. And subscribe to awcrap for more tips. That's right. If we're lucky, someday we'll grow and start making some money on this channel. Then Madge will be able to afford a real facial. No, I'd go with Botox. It's the in thing. Anyway, if you like this, you should watch this video on the dangers of cryptocurrency. What do you mean? All my money is in Bitcoins. Don't be like her. Watch this.